Okay, I just came outside and looks like they're out here planting with the 1975 International 140 tractor. So I was gonna do a little video and let you see it running and working and all. We've done nothing to it since we got it, except we flushed the radiator out, checked the thermostat, it checked to be good, and I also installed a new muffler on it. But it as is just the way we got it, other than those things. And we steam cleaned the whole tractor too, so it's all original with original paint and decals. Spin on oil filter. It has an aftermarket factory 3-point hitch system, which will not go with the tractor. I will outfit it with Cultivator. The 3-point hitch system simply just unbolts from the tractor, since it was an aftermarket option. As you can see, it's got a quiet transmission, it's got good hydraulics, doesn't smoke, it runs good and smooth, has the complete original battery box. It also has all of the original lights that work. You need to adjust the top length because the back of the wheel wasn't turning. Okay.